Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. So Aave's price development currently goes pretty much, you would say, according to plan. It reached that next target that I indicated in yesterday's video. I gave you an idea of my micro count here. We'll adjust that in a minute here. It's pretty much on track. Just want to shift the subwaves into the right position. Overall, the idea was that the price moved up in 5 waves, creating a potential impulse or at least diagonal structure. The move down now should get to at least 63, ideally lower, and it seems like we will go lower. But as I said to you, watch at this level for potential reversals already, even though the wave count tells you we might go down lower. You can always interpret that differently because we're dealing here with an ending diagonal at best and an ending diagonal mainly, well, if we have ending diagonals, we just need to be very much on the lookout for a change in structure because they are consisting of corrective subwave structures, okay? So that's one thing, but also the wave C, which this one is ideally to the downside, oftentimes reacts to the 100% extension level of the A wave. So the A wave is this, and then we compare it to the length of the C wave, and that takes us to around about 63. So that is an ideal target for that C wave. I'm not saying it will turn around here. Ideally, I would prefer lower still to maybe around about 58. So 60 to 58 would be ideal. Should certainly not go below 54 because if it does, then this setup will fail. But for now, there is no indication it has bottomed, okay? In fact, it's just increased its speed to the downside, its momentum, and that would rather be in line with the idea that this is a third wave of some sort. So I gave you an idea of the microstructure, talked about that this might be a 1-2 setup, then here an AB in wave 3 because in this ending diagonal, right? Again, we deal with corrective subwave structures. So the wave 1 was also an ABC structure, wave 2, wave 3 is ABC, and then this would be the C wave now. And in the C wave, to be honest, this move down looks like a third. So probably the C wave is as well an ending diagonal. Again, that's just best I can tell you now. This might shift, okay? But the fact, you know, how strong we're coming down here, that would be my idea. And then there should be a 4th and a 5th. That this is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible, but the 5 would be a bit too long to be reliable. So yeah, still has a bit of room to go in my opinion, but we very much need to be flexible. So far, at least our micro count has guided us well. This now could be a 4th wave bounce, and then we should get one more low in wave 5, could take us to 60, maybe another bounce, and then down to around about 57. Okay, that would be ideal. Resistance, obviously this wave count, this assumption is valid as long as the price stays below 66.30, below the wave 2 top there. And if we talk about micro resistance, but this is really just micro resistance, so that is not reliable, but it is just a very first level to watch. That is at $64.50. So as long as the price, so we already reached that, see in that bounce, could be that this is currently wave 4, maybe already finished or getting finished today, and then one last low, taking us next to $60. If the price now gets a sustained break above 65, it might be an indication that a low is in place, a very early one. Yeah, but that would need further observation. And at the moment, while I record this video, I have no evidence that a low has been made, but we've pretty much arrived where we needed to. Would still be preferable to go a little lower to around about 60 to 57, $58 next. That's my update about Aave. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.